Alright, so we're back at it, and today we're gonna be replacing the dog bone mount of a Scirocco 2-liter TSI, which is also called the gearbox mount. First thing first, remove the screws of the cover. Those are T20 Torx. And just remove all of them. I already removed them. And drop the cover off. Put it somewhere safe. This is even a great chance to see if you have any oil leaks. Alright, so now you can see here is the dog bone mount, and then we're gonna put a 17mm socket, and you can see the first one there. This one is a 17mm socket, and you're gonna break it off, break it loose. Okay, that was fairly easy to break, and what you need to do is just untighten the bolts and make them loose, but don't remove them from the mount yet, because if you remove them, you're not gonna have enough resistance to remove the third bolt, which is just currently hidden from the screen now. Okay, so now you're supposed to leave them like this, because if you remove them, you're not gonna be able to remove the main bolt, which is on the bushing. So I removed them, and later on I struggled with getting to remove the main bolt, and I put the bolts back. So after now, I'm just showing you how the bolts look like when they're removed. But after this process, I quickly put them back, but not fully in, just half. Seems like the dogs want the dog bone too. Okay, so now you need to get a 21mm socket just to get the big boy. Yeah, this one was tough to get it out. I had to go get a torque wrench, because on the previous ones I was using my normal wrench. But now I already broke it loose, but for me to break it loose, it was very tough. But with the torque wrench is way quicker, so remove it. So once all the bolts are loose, you can remove everything. Okay, now all the bolts are out. Just wiggle it out. You will see it will easily come out. There we go. Now we have our gearbox mount out, dog bone, and as you can see, I'm comparing it with the new one. And as I can see, this one doesn't have a rubber there anymore. This one has rubber, so it should make a difference. Alright, so now we're gonna put this one back. It's very easy to put in. No need to jack up your engine or anything. As long as you have your car on jack stands, there's no need to lift up your engine. Okay, now you can put all the bolts back in, and once you put them in, you can start tightening them a bit, because later on we're gonna use a torque wrench so that we can do it to the spec. Okay, so the first big bolt, which is the 21mm, you must set it to 100 Newton meters. So you're gonna just set it on the torque wrench. There's videos on how to use that torque wrench. You can check them out on how to do it. And you do it until you hear a tick. Yeah, that's it. That's when you know it's there. So now you gotta do for the rest, and it's 45 Newton meters of torque for both the 17 and the 16. So the camera is just not viewing the last one properly, but I'm busy tightening it now. So yeah, that's how it's done. And after putting this, my car was way better, especially in terms of downshifting, because previously when I was downshifting, I used to have a clank. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and the sub button, and I have more videos on the Scirocco coming soon. Let's get it.